welcome back to my channel, and well, actually this is kind of my first day on YouTube, so I thought we'd play something kind of like fun. It's called Tower of Hell. So let's get started. Guys, I am not good at parkour, which is kind of a bad idea. Play this because of it. But, you know, I kind of, like, don't really care that much right now. Because I kind of don't really know what else to play for this video. So, you know. It's hard to be a YouTuber. You guys, this is hard. I cannot get this. Like, oh my gosh. Guys, we almost made the rest of the pink, but we fell. Oh, not even fair. Okay, let's go up. No! I'm getting kinda annoyed. No, you guys, this is so difficult. Like, oh my god. Okay. I am going to come back when I get to, like, the next level. So, BRB. You guys, I'm back. And this is so hard. I'm gonna say yes. Someone said yes because I really need invincibility right now. Because, like, I had... Yes! Someone bought it! I'm gonna say thank you. Because I really need invincibility right now. Guys, I am not. No, you guys! You guys, no! I thought I was gonna make it now because of it. I am so annoyed right now. No, you guys! I am getting so annoyed right now. Like, this game is annoying. Like, oh my god. How am I supposed to do this? I don't know. Like, you guys. No, you guys! We were at the end of the light pink. Look at that girl. She made it to the top. She is at the top. How? Like, I have never made it to... I only made it to the top once before. And... yeah, someone made it to the top already. And someone's almost at the top as well. Yeah, okay, you guys. guys, I am so annoyed. Like, okay, I'm waiting for the next round real quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, it's the next round, and I am so excited. But I'm also not, because this game is kind of, like, annoying. And, like, to the creator, I don't want to be rude, but I think they're crazy for thinking that someone like me could do this game, because I have never made it to the top except for once in this game. And, like, oh my god, it's so annoying. Okay, guys. No! You guys, that was so obvious that I was gonna not make that. But, oh my god, guys. I am so annoyed at this game. But, you know. I know that I already knew that I wasn't gonna be good at this. But I didn't think it'd be this hard. Guys, I am so annoyed. Like, oh my god. You guys, I am. You guys, I need help here. You guys, is there like an easy way to win this game? Comment down below if you guys have any tricks on this game, because I am not good at this, but I see a lot of people that are good at this game, like even in Pro Towers, and I am so like impressed by a lot of people. Like, I am so not talented at parkour. Like, it's like really rare for me to make it in a parkour thing or an obby, because I am really just not that good at them. Like, they're not really my thing, but like, I play them for you guys. But, you know, so I'm probably gonna start playing obbies a lot more for you guys. But like, you know. Wow. I am getting really annoyed right now. Ah! Guys. How is this happening right now? No! I am so annoyed right now. Like, oh my god. But you guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here, because I am literally getting really annoyed right now. So I'll see you guys later, and if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, so maybe I'll play this game more often. But see you guys next time. Bye!